This is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your screen, therefore the status bar, in order for the control and notification center to be opened. Next, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like that. Then long press on it. Once at the internet settings page, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Then go for the network details page, and over here you'll find this little share icon that, once tapped on, will reveal the actual Wi-Fi network password right below the QR code and provide you with the QR code itself, which you can simply scan and get any other device automatically connected to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that's how you share the Wi-Fi password. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.